if you're purchasing from wholesalers, it could be a US wholesaler, it could be a Chinese one, which is linked to Alibaba. For them to stay compliant, they need to request that you provide them with a resale certificate. Um, Basically, this means that you are, selling the products on, so you don't need to be charged sales tax. Not all wholesalers request this, but they should. If they get audited, they're going to be asked for the records. And so basically, once you've applied for a sales tax permit, you'll be able to turn that into a resale certificate. Resale certificates need to be provided based on the ship to destination. So let's say you had a US office in California, but you were shipping goods to Florida. You may be required to provide a Florida resale certificate based on where the goods are landing. A lot of the states do allow you to use an out of state resale certificate, but there are about 10 which request that you have a unique certificate for that state. So it's important to have one. Just a quick example, I've got an Amazon seller who they were using a US wholesaler, and then they had to change their wholesaler for one reason or another. And then when they moved everything over and went to this wholesaler, they asked for their resale certificate, which they didn't have. And then they refused to sell to them until they got one, and basically it meant that they had a 3-week stall in their operations and supply whilst they were getting it. So they weren't happy. It was a bit of a mess. We helped them out. So it's better just to have it ready initially than wait for the issues to come down the line.